All right, I'm the flat rate master, and does my flat rate suck because no parts? All right, so last week I did a video complaining about the parts situation here in Atlanta, and it has gotten bad. It just has. Parts quality, availability in the dumper. There's no way around it. We're having a lot of issues getting quality parts. Normal time, a lot of stuff is 2 days out. Had somebody comment about 1-800-RADIATOR here in Atlanta. You must work on different stuff because they ain't got it either for what we work on. And that is one thing that you do have to understand with the parts shortage is it's based on the cars you work on. So, you know, they might have XYZ for that car, but they might not have XYZ for this car. And that is an issue that we've run into where we're basically tapping all of our suppliers, and it can get frustrating. But has it affect my flat rate and the other guys in the shop? Well, no. Honestly, we do enough volume that if we can't get parts for a couple days, we park it, move on to the next car. In that vein, parking has become a huge issue for us. We are very limited on parking. Very limited. I mean, we're parking stuff down the street. That's how bad it has gotten. And that's really the only issue that has really affected anybody. Now, luckily here we have a porter we can go send to go get a car, but it has been trying. But as far as hours, no. I think everybody's hours are good. I'm at Thursday, and I'm at 56 hours for the week, and I got like 20 hours sitting there. But still waiting on parts on that one, but that's another story. But another day, so my week's fine. My hours are fine. It literally is just, it's inconvenience for the customer. We can't get parts. I mean, Jeep right there went with an aftermarket wheel speed sensor. It did not work out. And Worldpac doesn't have any anywhere, special order, even though they used to stock them. So unfortunately, we had to wait for Chrysler to deliver parts. We've had to send our porter to get parts so we can get cars done and out of here because, you know, that goes bad or something. But no, overall, the parts issue hasn't affected my pocketbook. It really is just becoming a pain in the butt to have 20 cars in your name waiting on parts. And the inconvenience of customers waiting on parts, because that's what it comes down to, is customers can't get their car back. And yes, it has caused us to lose some sales because we can't get it fixed quickly because we can't get parts. You know, we've had to schedule customers to come back in when parts come in. There's ways to work around it, and our team up front has been doing a good job of working around it, but that is the fact, is you just got to work around it. And luckily for us, we see a lot of cars, so we just move on to the next one. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.